Hello everyone. Just another quick update here on the project. This is the user profile. A couple things I want to mention real quick. I am going to do a separate series for the mobile views. I'm still working on the mobile views, and so I'll do a separate series on those to show you what that looks like. And I'll keep these updates coming as soon as I can, or as rapidly as I can. But I am behind on the or the language translations, and I do apologize to those volunteers that are waiting for them. Anyway, I'm behind. I got some done yesterday, as promised, but I didn't get enough of them done. So I'll get them to you in the next day or so. So anyway, okay. So moving on. Um, this is the user profile of the project. Okay, so up at the top, let me back up here a little bit. When you're logged in, you will see the user icon here. If you're an admin, you'll see the admin icon here. And I have those turned off right now, so you don't see them. But this is the user profile. And across the bar here, you have the edit profile, change password, change email, change privacy. Now, this here, you will also get this little blinking icon here. When you get a message, you'll get the blinking icon here, and you'll also see it up here. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it here or up at the top, but I'll put it here somewhere on the top, so you don't have to go to your user profile to see it. You can see it as soon as you log in. So, um, but anyway. Um, but when you log in, you're going to go to a user profile, so it works out the same. But I know some people, when they're browsing the site, they want to be able to see it without being in their profile. So we'll set that up. All the pages have help modals on them, and so anyway, we'll go to the first one here, the edit profile. Okay, and you'll see on this, and I did it on the registration too, that we uh, that we have installed Tiny Mice, the editor, and it's really slick. Took me lot longer to install than I thought because the configuration on it is a bit of a pain in the butt. But finally got it done and wrote my own character counter for it and all that stuff. So it's looking great. The other new addition to the data is we've got the astrology now, and we also have the age. I didn't want to mess with date of birth. I mean, so many people are concerned about their date of birth and putting it online and stuff. So we don't even mess with date of birth. I asked for the month of birth so we can wish you a happy birthday, um, and we asked for your age. Okay, even if you had date of birth, a lot of people would lie about it anyway. So we just put the age and we let you control that. So, if you're 32 and you want to put 57, that's up to you. But once you have the site on your own, you can put your own rules up. That they have to be bound by the age and yada yada yada, and you can do your own terms of service. So anyway, so that's how that works. We also have the height and weight in here. And remember, a lot of these are optional, and so you can turn these off in admin. If you don't like some of these, you can turn them off in admin. So that takes care of all of them. Now you can see as you when you focus on the tiny mice like I just did, you'll see right down here it says I'll pull this up here. It says 0. As soon as you click on it, it updates how many characters you have. Okay, and then let's go up here and I'll just type some stuff in here. When you get to the max, this is 600. Let's see here. Get to the max here, it will give you a message. Okay, all your characters are used, and then you just close it out, and then you can just do that. And don't. I want to tell you something about this right here. That right there, that highlight, that's the same color as this. I have looked at the CSS up and down for Tiny Mice, and I cannot find where that is. I don't know if it's some kind of global thing that's connected to the header or something, but I just could not find it. It might be there, but I couldn't find it, so I just left it alone. Anyway, because I want to take that blue away, but anyway, that's that. So okay, and then we'll go back to. You can always go back to the profile here, and then so let's go over the front page here. Well, let me go through the top bar here. So you can do change password, okay, and then you can do you change your email, all right, and then you can change your privacy, which we already went over last time, okay. And I do have. I wanted to ask you about that. I do have both versions. I have the radio button version and I have the check mark. This is the check mark version, okay? Whichever you guys want. If you want if you can see radio buttons better than check marks, most people can see check marks better than radio buttons. So it's up to you guys, okay? If you want either or. Of course, then let's go over the messages here real quick, and then we'll go down to the other thing. So here's your messages, and you'll see it's still blinking here. Your new messages will be highlighted, and remember also that all of the CSS is changeable. Okay, if you when you get your site or whatever, you can change all this. You can put a solid bar up here. You can change the background. You can have custom backgrounds to the. You can do whatever you want, okay? This is just basic colors, and all of these themes are basic colors and basic structure. You can change the colors or whatever you like to do. So okay, so we've got your messages here, all right, and then you can click whatever you want here, or you can select them all, or you can do whatever you like to do with that, okay. And then you have your inbox, you have your sent messages. Okay, these are the sent ones. And then I did the deleted. Okay, so if you want, let's say you delete something from here, it goes into deleted. It's just like the PC or just like whatever. It goes into a deleted folder, and then you delete it. You permanently delete it from there. Okay, so. So this works the same way. When you delete it, it just moves it over to here. Then you permanently delete it from there. So that way it gives you an extra chance if you deleted something you didn't mean to, it's sitting here. So all right, and then you've got a junk. So if you if you want to send something to junk that you don't really want to deal with right now, but you want to look at it later or whatever, you can do that, whatever. And then you also have a saved folder, so you can take any of these messages and move them over into the saved folder as well. Okay. And then, so this letter is regarding Bugs Bunny harassment. I don't know if I can read this on here like I typed it, but it says I'm sick and tired of this stupid rabbit. He always tells me it's duck season, and it makes me so bad. Anyway, so then you've got your site notifications. Now, this is if somebody commented on one of your videos, or if somebody rated a blog or something like that. That's your site notifications. You'll also get a notification up here along with the email one for notifications. You can compose here. Okay, this is your compose. And again, now on the Tiny Mice. We don't allow scripts. We don't allow massive amounts of HTML. We allow very, very basic. Okay, so the basic on it is you can do smileys, you can do bold, you can do the number list, you can do the different kinds of paragraphs. You can look and see how many words or how many characters. And as you see, there's you can do some other stuff here, but it does not include the full range of features, and the reason why is because of security, and we don't include the image upload for this, because if you want to do images, put them in the gallery. If you want to do images, put them on the front page or something, but there's no reason to have images in the text portion of your profile. I can't see a reason why you'd want to do that. So it just takes up unnecessary space. So if you want to do images, there's plenty of places to store your images. So we don't allow images. We don't allow links in here as well. If you want to do a link, you can just type it. Hey, go to this whatever.com. All right. but there's no live links. It strips it all out as soon as you submit this text area. As soon as you focus out of it, it's already cleaned. It cleans it all out of there. So okay, so let's see here. It also cleans as you're going along as well. But anyway, so let's see. Okay, then these two tabs here. I need some suggestions on these two tabs here. I'm not sure what else to do here with this. I mean, I already have inbox sent, deleted, junk saved, view reply. Now on this right here, you can on the bottom of the actual letter that you get or the email that you get, you can reply right down the bottom of it. Okay. And of course then your site notifications and your compose. So these other two tabs, give me some ideas of what to use for those. I can save those. There's nothing there, okay, but I have them, and I can actually add probably 3 or 4 more. So if you probably 3, but anyway, if you have some ideas that you'd like for some extra tabs with regard to the messages, it has to be regarding messages. Let me know. I mean, I'll probably add it. But like I said, it has to do with messages. I can leave these open for maybe a plug-in or something to take over these, however you want to do it. But anyway, there's a couple there. All right, so so that goes over this. So let's go back to here, and then we'll go over the front page here. So you've got your basic information, Donald Duck, whatever, and then you've got again, we added the astrology sign, and now here's all your text stuff, all of the long text, the about me, the dislikes, the here for, the likes, the looking for, the miscellaneous, and your skills, and then on the other side you have the extended profile. This is all of the miscellaneous stuff that comes from the registration that we display on here. Okay, and again, some of this, there's no active links on the web URL, or there's no active links on the Facebook or Twitter URL. I mean, you can copy and paste it in your URL. It's that easy. You don't have to have the link on there. It helps us with security, if bots get on there or whatever. So anyway, so we'll attack the bots later as we go through the admin section when I get done with it. But anyway, so and then you have your blog, and then you have your friends in the gallery and the videos. So that goes over the user profile there. And if you have any suggestions, if you have any ideas, if you have anything that you'd like to add to this, or to maybe have the feature, let me know, because now is the time to add it if I need to add it. Okay. All right. Good. And like I said, we can always do plugins later. But if you want the full feature, the in-house inbox full feature, now is the best time to do it. So. All right. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Tried to make this quick as possible, and I'll get those translations done. Love you guys. Have a great day, and see you soon. Okay.